Your girl got AirPods. You cannot talk to me anyhow. Cause you know what I'm gonna do? I want somebody to try me. Did you say something? Sorry, I couldn't hear you over my AirPods. Hey you guys, Forever Chia here with another video. And so, if you watched my graduation gift video, you would know that I got me a few little Apple goodies for graduation. Y'all, graduation was in May. It is now August, and I'm just now opening these gifts. Why I waited for when I wanted to make this video to, I don't know, I just wasn't home enough, and I didn't want to like open them and just, I don't know, not really use them the way I should. So yeah, I have the, can y'all see that? So I have the Apple Watch Series 3 in Space Gray. This is the black sport GPS design thing. I don't know, that's what it says on the back, but so I have that watch. And I also have my AirPods. These are the AirPods. Happy about them. Shout out to my siblings. Shout out to Ogechi for getting me these for graduation. Like, these really made my graduation. These made me so happy on graduation day. So time to open them. So yeah, we're gonna get right into it. So first I'm gonna unbox the AirPods. I know I guess I'm kind of late to the game, but yeah, I finally got my AirPods. I really didn't want to, well, I really didn't feel a need to open them because I still have my earphones and they work perfectly fine. I have both pairs, like the one with the earphone jack cable and the other cable, you know, both cables. I'm just use my this is from my nail kit. I keep it in my little purse. So I'm just using my nail file to break the seal on this. And yeah. So yeah, I'm excited. Like, I feel like I've really updated on my Apple life because I had the same phone. If you watched the other video, you heard this. But yeah, I had the same iPhone since my freshman year of college. I had the 6. Yeah, so it was time for an upgrade. So that's what we had to do. Let me see if I can break this down a little bit. If not, I'm just gonna have to see like this. Yes. Okay. Let me just stand up. So here it is. We're going to open it up. So we have this little flap that says designed by Apple in California. Lift this part out. What is in this anyway? Is it just a manual? Yeah. And it's a little thick. A little thick. But yeah, that's that. And here's what we've all been waiting for. Does this come with like an earphone jack or anything? Like a charger for it? Should be, right? Should. Yep, there it is. So it has the charging cable for it. It's just your regular iPhone charger, so thanks for another one, Apple. That's not good. But yeah, here it is. Just want to take this little paper off of it. It does not want to come off. Okay. Here are my AirPods. Let me grab my phone. My phone is here. So I have the... I'm cute, ain't I? But okay, so I have the 10. And here are my AirPods. I'm so excited, y'all. I'm so excited. So let's see, how does this pair? So there's a little button on the back of them. Right here. I don't know if you can see it, but I don't know what that's for. But yeah, it has a little, maybe it's a syncing button. I don't know. I'm trying to unlock my phone and see. So I'm gonna flip this open. And they're ready. Ah! So if you can see, it says AirPods Connect. So I'm gonna connect them. Eee! Okay. So I guess, is that it? Okay. So now let me see. If I just open it, will it say my name? Yes. Ah! That is so dope. And like, that's the... Y'all, that was the easiest like installation ever. Just open them up. And I don't want to do it. I'm tripping. Just because I'm on camera. Don't be playing me. Maybe it's just already paired. I don't know. But yeah, I have my AirPods. Let me give them a listen. I need to get a case for my charger case so I don't lose it. Yay. Okay, let me play a song. What song should I listen to? I think I want some Gunna right now. I'm gonna listen to Baby Birkin. That's what I'm listening to. Oh, let's pause that. So I'm learning a lot. You double tap it and then Siri pops up. And then you can pull one out. Okay. And once I take one out, the music cuts off. So I love that. So yeah, here go my AirPods, y'all. Your girl finally got some. Your girl finally invited to the club. You still got earphones? Wait, are those cords on your earphones? Let me chill, but I feel like that's just so funny when people do that. But yeah, so that's that for my AirPods. Now on to the Apple Watch. So yes, it is Apple Watch time. So it's time to open up my Apple Watch. I'm gonna do the same thing, use my nail filer to open up this box. See what this Apple Watch is talking about. I'm like legit so excited. I've been wanting an Apple Watch for so long. Like, I haven't really been exercising the way I used to, but when I was exercising, I was like, dang, I wish I had an Apple Watch. Like, it will help me out so much to like run and still listen to my music without holding my phone in my hand. Watch is so hard to open up though. There we go. I done calling my face, calling me pop. Anybody? It's so cute. Okay. So it has this little flat thingy. That's oh, I feel so dumb. I was like, I was trying to lift it up, but it scoots out, scoots out, scoots out, scoots out. Let me stand up with this. So it says the same thing, designed by Apple in California. You know what I'm saying? Not in Georgia, not in Florida, but California. We're gonna lift this up. More pamphlets in this part, just like it was with the. Oh, this has a little weight too. I think it has the cord in here too. Let me just see what's inside. No, it's papers and stuff. What is this? So it says it has the Apple Watch right here. When you open this, it's the strap and the. So it has the strap and it has the charger. Y'all. So I almost went and bought a charger like this for my watch because I assumed that the watch needed the regular charger, you know, the one for your iPhone. So I wanted to go back and buy one of those, but it already came with the phone, so shout out to Apple. Okay, so now let's look into the watch. But did it also come with the, I don't know. Yeah, it has an extra strap on it. I guess a shorter one if your arm is smaller. But here's the watch. Space gray watch. Let's take her out. Y'all don't understand. I'm so excited. Okay, so there's a lot of like paper stuff on here. How do I take this out? Bruh, they be doing too much sometimes. Like, no cap. Okay. Look. Like, who needs a MK watch? Who needs, you know, who needs a Marc Jacobs watch when you got this? When you got this. Okay, let me see. I guess that would be the only way to charge it. That does make sense though. Just sit it down on the thing. But here's my watch. So nice, cute, and sleek. Space gray and black. I just wanted something neutral, you know. This is gonna be so cute on my arm. Okay, let me press the button on the side. See if it does anything right now. I'm trying to power it on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Bro, I hope it don't take this long each time I turn it on. But this has a little weight to it. I really like it. Apple Watch. Let me make my thumbnail while I wait for this to load. I think I lost the Airpods already. That's crazy. I had enough time to make a whole thumbnail and it's still not here yet. Oh, low battery to continue. Connect Apple Watch to its charger. How are they gonna give me the Apple Watch with a low battery already when they know I need to set it up? That's fake. I'll be back. So like I was saying, here's the charger to the Apple Watch. It's just a little circle thingy. And here's the cord along with it. And you just place your watch on top of this. So I'm gonna just hold it like this and plug it in. Ooh. Okay. I'm about to plug it into my computer and then we're going, no, I can plug it in right here. So it's charging now. So I'm about to set it up. I don't know what it's saying. It's like in different languages. I guess it's telling me to bring my phone close to it. So it says use your iPhone to set up this Apple Watch. Continue. Y'all, this is just so exciting for me. I have both of them now. Okay, it's taking me to another screen. Okay, put on your Apple Watch and hold it up to the camera. Align it with the viewfinder. Your Apple Watch is paired. Okay, set up Apple Watch. Which wrist do you wear your Apple Watch? I really feel like I would wear it on my left hand, so I'm gonna say my left wrist. Cause I like my right wrist to be free so I can write and stuff. Terms and conditions, the basics. Going to agree. Slick had wanted to be bougie and get the one with the red dot. I don't even know what the red dot is for, but I was like, oh, that look cool. But this looks cute. I love the whole darkness of this watch. It's just cute, so I'm excited. I'll be out here flexing. I got my MacBook over here for my YouTube videos and stuff. Then I have my phone, my 10. I don't care. Like I said, I had my 6S for like 3-4 years. I'm keeping this 10 for like 3-4 years. I don't care. I don't care. Is it done? Oh, it's signing into your account. This may take a few minutes. But yeah, I'm very excited and grateful for this phone. I mean, well, yeah, for my phone too, but for this Apple Watch and these Airpods. So I really do plan on using my Apple Watch, probably wearing it on my arm daily when I'm heading out and stuff. Not just when I'm inside the house. Like, who needs that? But once I start back working out, because your girl needs to get a gym membership, but once I start back working out, I'll be wearing my Apple Watch and I'm having my AirPods. So when someone talks to me, I'll be like, yes, can I help you? Okay, so workout route tracking. I don't know what that is. What is this? Apple Watch workouts. Use your location to track routes and local weather for outdoor workouts. Enable that. Watch analytics. Y'all share with Apple. Y'all can take that. I don't care. Shared settings. Find my iPhone, Siri, analytics, location services. Create a passcode. Y'all can't see this. Hold on. Oh, it has to set up activities. So I'm about to set up some stuff about myself real quick. Oh, they already got everything. This is not my weight anymore. It's gonna track my heart health. This watch is really everything. This is lit. I'm still holding this with the charger. I can really put this down because everything is happening on my phone and not on this watch. So set the watch down. This is taking forever to set up, but yeah, anyway, I'm so excited for my Apple Watch and my AirPods. Thank y'all so much for watching this video. I know it's long overdue. Y'all probably been had y'all's AirPods and y'all's Apple Watch, but I'm so excited for both of them. I'm definitely gonna get a case for my AirPods because I know a lot of people lose theirs very easily, so I'm gonna get a little keychain for them. And then for my watch, I might switch out the band for a for a cuter one, maybe like a link chain one or something like that. But for now, this will do, you know. But yeah, thank y'all so much for watching this video. I hope that y'all enjoyed it. If y'all have a Apple Watch or AirPods, put a thumbs up on this video. And yeah, see y'all on the flip side. Anybody?